Hello guys, today we have Amazon Kindle that bought from Amazon, and it's at the offer $100 off. I got this for $239 and I will show you how it looks. Okay, there we go. We have only $1. Wow, I will keep this aside. Looks nice. And it's a 16 GB version with a basic pen. Okay, here you can see it's a world's first Kindle for reading and writing. Here we have the open tear thing. I open it and there we go. Wow, I think this is it. Let me take a look. Wow, did I miss anything? No, it's only in the box. Well, I can talk. Okay, I kept always two books in my pocket, one to read and one to write in. Yeah, nice. So we can do now it in the one thing. Let's see what we have ordered in our box. So we have Hello Kindle Scribe. It's a manual. Power on, long press to power button to Kindle up and follow on screen instruction. Remove the old tape using the included replacement tool and insert it. Okay, it's simple. Okay, others where we have is the pen here. It doesn't have any buttons or anything like that, so it's just simple as a pen. It doesn't have additional functionality. It's a basic pen. I will keep this at the side. And next we have the USB Type-C cable, and we have some pen nib. Let me take a look how many nib it came. So it has 5 nibs and an accessory to remove the nib. Okay, sounds good. I am going to pull all of this, and now here we go. I don't know from where it is. Let me see, and it says open it from here. I don't want to tear it, but this is how we need to open. Okay, so right here it says power on, so we have to hold this button and I can see the light. Oh wow, I thought that was the paper, paper and plastic that I need to tear off, but no, actually there was a screen that says that displays the text. So that is the good thing about Kindle, right? I mean, like the e-ink display, it looks like paper. Okay, we are setting it up. I'm so excited. Wow, it's a very big screen. I do have Kindle Paperwhite, and I have been using that for the 1 year and a half almost. And so comparing that with this, and like for example, like upgrading to this, it's a very big upgrade and it's a very big screen, so I feel comfortable. Nice one. So if they could make this also a screen, then it would be much more better, but maybe they put some devices for charging and everything right here. It's heavier than before. Okay, so yeah, everything is set up. So it takes the data from the Amazon itself, and it already connected to Wi-Fi and already set up my credentials. All I have to do is next. So downloading the update, and it says it will restart when the download finishes. And we have 43% battery that came with the device when I first purchased. Wow, it's super heavy, man. We have to be very careful when using this Kindle because it's high chance of getting it dropped. Yeah, I believe these are magnets. These are magnets, 4 magnets. I don't know. Let me see. Okay, the Kindle is restarting and setting up. It did automatically update to the latest version of Kindle OS so that we can get the latest features and optimized. Okay, it is restarting for one more time. I believe this is the final time it is restarting, and we should be able to use the Kindle after that. I'm so excited. Let's keep a password. This is for protection. It's asking me to get the free trial, so I would love that. So I would say okay, I like this. Okay, I will accept the offer for the 3 months. So Audible, it is giving me a 30-day free trial. I will accept this offer as well. we are at the library. See, these are the all books, and the books are also showing from my library as well, so I can show you how this will look like. I will show you from my library here, and from here let's see how does it looks like. Okay, oh yeah, the text is pretty much big. Okay, so this one itself isn't the good book because it doesn't align properly. I'm gonna open the next book. Let's show you one about the technical analysis. Okay, wow. Getting slow, man. Yeah, nice. Things are pretty big. Yeah, I like it. So one settings I would like to enable is go to settings and change the